If you do not know what to wear to work during autumn seasons, try these office outfit ideas. These outfits are not only easy to put together, but also suitable for the office, comfortable and perfect for staying warm in cold weather. Let's get started with the first outfit. Is this black suit. It is decent for office environment and it's also easy to style, especially in the rush mornings. If you drive to work, this outfit is perfect for work because you will hardly walk with this outfit outdoors. So even it is not warm enough for going out, but it's okay. It is warm enough for you when you stay in office. But if you use public transport to work, this might be a little bit cold for you. Consider adding a coat to stay warm on your way to work. Moving on to the second outfit, a black and white sweater paired with a black white pants. It is easy to style and will keep you warm for the preferred weather. If you still feel cold in the office, throw on a light down jacket. It is light but also warm. For next look, you can keep the pants and change the top to a white blouse and a gray vest. And if your arm gets cold, the same, you can bring a down jacket with you and wear it when you feel cold in the office. Next outfit, we can still keep the pants and change the top to a white knee sweater. Black and white is always classic and cute. And most importantly, it is simple to put together. It is perfect for busy people. And if you do not want to wear pants, skirts is also a good option for workwear in fall seasons. For this outfit, we can keep the knit sweater and change the bottom to a dark green skirt. Now we have another outfit with skirts. And usually, since fall can be a little bit cool, so I will wear a nude stockings underneath the skirt to keep warm. White and green is always a good color combination for any outfit. You do not need to find exactly the same piece I showed today. You can use any white and green item you have to recreate this outfit. Just remember, if you choose a tight top, go for a wide bottom, and vice versa. For the last outfit, we can keep the skirt and change the top to a black knee sweater. This way we'll have another outfit. It's easy but also chic. And you can also add a little bit of fun to the outfit by wearing a necklace. This necklace not only adds a highlight to the outfit, but also it elongates your neckline. So it is perfect in this case. The same if you still feel cold, you can bring a down jacket for extra warmth in office. That's what I always do and find it pretty useful. Okay, that's all for today's video. Did you discover any ideas for your fall office outfit? If you're interested in some chic and comfy outfit ideas for summer seasons, I have made a video about it. Feel free to check it out. And thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!